How to use the ultimate thread dispenser sewing accessory. Designed to solve some of the most common thread delivery problems, this simple but smart device is useful for all thread types, but is especially handy when it comes to slippery and metallic threads. These threads, as you know, have a tendency to cause more problems when on the machine. The ultimate thread dispenser delivers the exact right amount of thread for every stitch, improving the stitch consistency and thread tension in your machine. It is designed to fit all mini king-size cones from WonderFil Specialty Threads. When you draw the thread vertically with the metallic or filament threads, you can see the twist is thrown off. Each time the thread is released, there is an additional twist that's been pulled out, which causes an imbalance in the twist. The thread will also pool at the base of the cone. If you place the thread sideways on the machine, you can see what happens is when the thread draws, you'll always get an additional run of thread being released, which can also cause stitch quality problems. The ultimate thread dispenser comes in two pieces, the thread guide and the spool holder that spins. The holder is designed to grip your cone so that it stays in place. Then, put the end of the thread through the holder and thread your machine. As the thread is drawn, the spool turns on the rotating base and does not release any excess run of thread. This run of thread is also always at the perfect tautness, which is important because if you have loose thread, the thread can always spring back and impact your stitch consistency. Even if you sew quickly and stop suddenly, there is no overspinning. The result is the release of the perfect amount of thread for every stitch. With no thread twist or thread imbalances, you will have a much easier time working with slippery or metallic threads. It's also designed to pair with a thread tamer, should you have one, or other types of thread stands. Even though the thread is being drawn upwards, it still comes off the side of the spool first, so there is a perfect tautness, and the tool removes the twist from the thread before it even enters your machine. You can use the ultimate thread dispenser on your domestic sewing machine. Stitch out your beautiful decorative stitches with your favorite specialty threads to make an impact in your projects. You can also place it on your long arm machine for any multi-directional quilting. It's also a great accessory for embroidery machines and can even run with high-speed designs. The ultimate thread dispenser will help improve the stitch quality of your embroidery and reduce thread breaks. You can find the ultimate thread dispenser in 3 different colors, white, pink, and blue. Which one would you choose for your sewing machine? If you liked this video, help out our channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified when we post a new video with more sewing tips, tutorials, and new product announcements. You can also sign up for a weekly educational sewing and quilting newsletter to get the first look at new projects, sewing tips that will make you jump for joy, and inspiring tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Follow the link in the description box to sign up. Inspired to sew with WonderFil threads? Check out the description box for a list of stores and retailers you can purchase WonderFil threads from in your country. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again next time.